I ain't even cook. Okay, these are supposed to be new boots. Clearly they're worn by someone, and they're dumb because all they gotta do is swab the shoe and they're gonna know who did it. But someone put their old boots in here and they're supposed to look like this, but they look like this. Nah, I like Amazon. I can't say I have too many complaints, but this right here is ridiculous. His birthday is in a couple days, and I ordered it early so it can be there for his birthday. So I need this item replaced ASAP, stat, whatever language you know, ASAP, as soon as possible, please. You got my money right away. I would like my return to be processed right away. Thank you.
Alright, this is my personal review for cat boots with steel toe. So almost 5 months daily use on construction. I find crack under knee. You can see it's two crack actually. It's big one and one small, but it's already started leaking. And also another one. See, it's cracked over here. Yeah, it's totally destroyed. So yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, almost 5 months use it.
I cut the concrete, I put all that pipe in there, and there was no pipe. That's why I was telling the guy yesterday. There was no pipe in the concrete. And I never see.